Nigeria is finally gone. My people, oh God. Come and see what this man said in this video, that the people should pity the bandit, the terrorist that is buying people. My people, not be smart, they say that English Alhaji, say bandits don't finally call am, send strong message to am, tell am say if you know come out in hand from the talk when they talk about bandits, say they go buy am. Watch the full videos.
Nigerians, so yesterday in the afternoon, bandits called me on a video call. As in, on a video call. So you can see the confidence. These guys are no longer hiding. They know they cover their face anymore. They are everywhere. They are everywhere. On a video call. I was just sitting there, my phone rang. I said, make I go check what's in the happen. Because you know my Facebook page, like my WhatsApp number is on my Facebook page. So they went to that my Facebook page, collected the WhatsApp number to call me. I saw this bandit picture there. I said, this one waiting. Bandit. I said, hey, bandit. I said, no problem. I pick. Immediately I pick. See me face to face with bandit. My heart, they do boom, 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 boom. But still, I try to calm. Like, I just want they calm. You don't understand? May they know, like, just stay calm with them, talk to them, like, so that I will get more. I will get into them and know more about them. So I was just calm, and yeah, they asked me if I was a Christian or Muslim. I said I'm a Christmas. They say I should say some things in Muslim, like La ilaha illallah. I said La ilaha illallah. They laughed, and these guys were even speaking Yoruba. Small children. These guys turned the camera. They show me ammunition, broski. They even sent me that picture when I first uploaded. It was them that sent it. These guys are not scared. It was them that sent those pictures. After the call, they just upload this picture, and the next thing, I don't know whether they log out. I don't know. The thing no come go again. Bro, now I know the kind of danger when I did. Now I know the kind of danger when I did. Now I know the kind of danger when I did. Some of them don't know this. Some of them don't know what thing I they go through, bro. Now I know the danger. They said, make I stop, like, because one of them, all these ones don't they two speak English. Now one of them, where they speaking, because this, as that one come, that time my phone don't full, my phone memory full. So I know they say no the record. You don't understand? I know they say that one know the record. But the one where they speak English come last. Come they talk to me over the phone with English. They tell me say those things why they talk, say if they catch them, make them unalive them, don't hand them over to the military, buy them, do this. What if they catch me and do that same thing to me? How I go feel? How it go be? If they catch me do that same thing, how I go feel? I say, I don't understand. He say, make your answer. So, how I go feel? May they buy them. I say, nothing now. So, they were like, come on hand now. Stop those things. Stop saying those things. I was like, hey, me. Broski, I go nowhere. This country, is my country. And I will not run away because of these people. Never. I will not run away because of them. Now here I go day. Nigeria go better. I know they go anywhere. See, these guys said a lot of things to me. But the problem is who I trust to go tell. Say, see what these guys talk. Because that person where they tell, if you go carry phone call the oga at the top, where them, like, you know that kind of thing now, they'll come say, hold that guy there, silent him, so that the thing will not come out. Now, see, the way I did like this now, I dey fear for my life. Don't be say I dey fear to go, like I dey fear to, like, no, I know they fear, but I just dey fear say, the thing where I supposed, my work will never finish. My mom every day go dey cry, say, come on, hand for I don't channel my life to these things. If not, I don't channel my life. I don't zero my mind for them. Omo, we must fight this insecurity to the end. Just imagine the confidence with this guy gets. Boldness. Make one watch the video. Just the ones where I feel record. Because some of them, my memory card don't full. My memory for phone don't full.
Allah. Ya yo. Lafiya ya jama'a. Mun gode.
Aboki,
Eh?
kale. Akusho.
Eh?
Kale akusho ba ni awon ko ile nko.
Why ya ku maka Yoruba?
Da wanda ji turanci nan. Kai, this is my guy no get English.
Me English ni bana jin turanci kuma. Ni bana jin turanci.
Ba ka ji English.
Bana jin.
Labari ne kana jin English.
Bana jin.
Ba Yoruba.
Bana ji turanci.
Ba Yoruba.
Ba Yoruba.
Ko si Yoruba.
Sai
Yoruba baja ko.
Ba Yoruba. Sai Hausa sai Hausa. Sai Hausa. Sai Hausa.
Ogaya. Ga kaka pa Yoruba mun baka Yorubanci ba.
Ya jama'a. Mun gode Allah ya yau.
Lafiya lau miyo juru, ka juru.
Yo, me kan buru ba. Kai. Kai.
Aboki aka yi.
Kai.
Aka gane su?
Kai.
Ore mi. Ilowi.
Hey.
A gani ko? Hey, agbaku over. Wala agbaku over. Sai abi farbale ni. Zoro gidi ma beli.
Ace kuna ji Yoruba sosai.
To wai kai
Abi ba Yoruba.
Kuna ji Yoruba sosai.
Baja o. Sai abi ga abun nan. Ga galla jira to wai ma.
ile lenu ka ile lena wanta.
Bana ji Yoruba.
Ba ka je Yoruba, ba ka jin dakaranci, ba ka jin Ingilishi, ba ka jin Buroko.
Bana ji sai Hausa.
Kana matsayi mai zafin baki ga kai ya gane ka ya gaba Yorbe.
Kuma kai ba musulmi, ka ce ba musulmi ba ne kai.
Ni musulmi na Christian.
Ina to.
Na kirta. Sai la ilaha illallah.
La ilaha illallah.
Kai musulmi ne haufa aboki.
Daga kama ni. Ka ce wai zaka kama ni?
Kaga sojan mu, kaga ko.
Na gan shi.
To, kaga kayan aiki ko?
La ilaha illallah. Yo.
Ka gani?
Yo.
Kuma ji jama'a.
Kai aboki je English.
Ka ce wai zaka kama ni ko?
Ƙungiyar CCF ce mu nan, ka gane.
La ilaha illallah.
Ka gani? Muhammad Rasulullah.
La ilaha illallah.
Well, the truth is that the terrorists are one of us before they were, confused because of situations and circumstances around us. It is very, very okay for them to be properly reintegrated into the society. But however, there is need for adequate monitoring of their movements and activities. They have no other home but this Nigeria, and they have to equally move on with their compatriots. The only thing is monitoring to make sure that they don't deviate if they are brought back into the society. My people, una don see am as e take dey happen. Na so we dey bring am dey show una. As these guys dey operate, dey do their thing, while Nigeria army is busy in southeast, in Enugu state, burning people's house. Let me show you a part of the video for you to watch as well.
Focus on so funo nekwa ọzọ ụnọ ka ụnọ ruru 4 ndị gọọmenti gbara ọkụ 4 hey oh Jesus ụnọ 4 wọchịkwa nekwe nke ka na-agba ọkụ agba o nke a ka na-agbakwa ọkụ agba o.
Now the question remain, why can't the Nigeria DSS, the army, all the security track these guys? Who is supplying this heavily armed to them? Who is giving them these ammunitions? Who is giving them all the equipment, the logistic? Who is sponsoring these guys? But these people will use the whole force to invade Okigwe, also, and other part of Southeast in other way to keep Nigeria as one, while the terrorists are buying people in the north. Guys, share this video, drop your own opinion in comment section if this country will survive this or not.